Hi there, this is Jay from JCAD. In this video, I'm going to talk about as-built drawings pricing. We do a lot of as-built drawings at JCAD. We offer it to architects, interior designers. We work with realtors, contractors, and homeowners, of course. And um, and basically, like people ask, like what controls the pricing or how the pricing is determined for the drawings and for the service. Um, First of all, to make it clear, like we don't bill hourly for as-built drawings. We have about like six main factors that really control the pricing. One of them is, of course, the size of the property. If a property is, and when we say the size of the property, we're not really referring to the lot size, rather, we're talking about the building or the structure size. A 1,000 square foot home is not the same as a 5,000 commercial space. So, of course, the price is going to be higher for the commercial space versus 1,000 square foot. Um, uh, the factor number two is basically the distance from our service area. So we mainly work within the Los Angeles County. We do service Ventura County to an extent, and Orange County. Um, and like depending on how far we go away from our home base, which is in Woodland Hills, California, um, or Woodland Hills, like LA in general, basically, that's another factor that will affect the pricing for the as-built drawings. And factor number three would be the scope of work involved. So some people only need just a floor plan, and other people they need like very detailed sets of as-built drawings. Usually, interior designers request the most detailed as-built drawings. That spans basically floor plans, exterior elevations, potentially a roof plan, and interior elevations. So that scope, like the more extensive the scope of work is, the higher the price tag is gonna be, or the higher our quote or estimate is gonna be for your project. Factor number four is the level of detail required. So so basically, the level of detail would include something like, would the client only request just walls, doors, and windows, or would they be asking for more details, such as like showing the cabinetry? Do they need any, for example, electrical plan or lighting plan that shows the fixtures? So that would be considered a much higher level of detail versus like a simple level of detail at its most basic would be just the walls, doors, and windows. So that's the fourth factor here. The fifth factor that also control the pricing is the turnaround. So depending on everything that I've already mentioned, the turnaround will vary. Um, Usually we offer as fast as 3 days for just a simple floor plan, or even 2 days, like depending on how big the space is. Um, but the more extensive the work, the higher the level of detail, the more drawings are required, the turnaround is gonna go further. We've done a house before that was about 8,000 square foot or square feet, and that took about a month and a half to do everything on it, from floor plans, exterior elevations, roof plan, interior elevations, and that was very detailed. So that took quite some time. So it's important, like, to establish like some kind of understanding with the customer, and for them like to know like what's the potential turnaround. And if we're offering an expedited turnaround, of course there's a fee for that. So that's the fifth factor. And the last main factor that I would like to share is basically the deliverables. So if we're just doing, that's rarely the case, but let's say the client, like you only need just a PDF of the drawings. That's different than getting the PDF and the CAD drawings. And for some projects, we're also able to provide Revit models. Revit models, there's more work involved in it, and the level of skill required to do Revit drawings or Revit files is higher. So that also adds to the pricing of the as-built drawings. So I hope this video helps demystify the pricing behind as-built drawings, and thank you for watching.